Hello, everyone, and hi to my Procreate artists, especially. I hope you guys are all well. Um, this is not going to be my first video of tutorials, but just like some pre coming up, I would say, if I can say like this. Uh, yeah, sorry for being away for quite a long time, actually, for almost a year. A lot of things going on, and as a personal and also a lot of work on my art side. So beside my job, of course. I'm very glad to post this first video, guys, for you, and I'm really excited to launch my first video. It's going to come. My first tutorial video is going to come in February, around the mid end February, guys. So I'm really looking forward to it. So here I am with that cartoon zombie character. It's quite fun. So yeah, just to talk with you, and just of course before to launch my first tutorial video since a while. Yes, I'm just kind of want to apologize about it. So I hope you guys had a blast for year 2025, because I reckon my last video was last January. So it's a year, almost 11 months. So yeah, and I hope you guys, if you just started on Procreate, I think you're gonna love it. I've been using it now for almost 5 years, and yeah, I'm still learning and still really enjoying it, to be honest. So yeah, then I wish you, of course, a good year 2026. Wish you all the best, my artist friends and everyone who's watching maybe my future video. All the best for your career. Of course, good health. This is, I think, much more important. And yeah, and I've been busy with a few commissions as well. And like, I have a lot of projects at the same time. It's going on in my mind. So I really wanted, of course, to focus and to get back on my YouTube channel, which for me is actually quite important. Oops, I'm actually the bear. Maybe I'm gonna make it like less dark gray. What do you think, guys? Yes. So yeah, it's quite important, and I want to do some merge design as well, and to be able to sell it, start on different platforms. I recently get myself on LinkedIn, but Instagram is always be the first platform that I use the most, to be honest. So yeah, and I traveled also last year quite a lot. I went to Argentina and, of course, to Japan, because my family-in-law is from there. So at the same time, I get a lot of inspirations, and yeah, and a lot of stuff kind of make a philosophy of myself as an artist in my life, and just say that, guys, you never ever give up what you're doing, especially in art. I know it's tough. We have a doubt. We are uncertain about if are we going to keep going or not. And I tell you what, yes, keep going. Keep going, and try to change or pivot your mindset about it. Not just think only about money, but, like myself, I work a lot on this, and just I try to prioritize to give values to other people, and on that channel, that's what actually I want to do. I want to give value for people who just start on Procreate, especially, and I try to teach something from it. Even if I'm still learning it. We always learn new things every day. And I think, which is great. So I really pivot my mindset about a lot of things around my artwork, my art activities. So yeah, for me, to be honest, I feel like kind of reborn. So this is very, very important. And yeah, and also I'm planning to do some more collaborations with other artists. I have already 2 artists that I'm working with, like art collaborations, and we can like this exchange visibility and grow our audience also through it. Show your art, and don't one thing again. Don't be afraid, my friends, to show your art. Okay, don't be afraid. Practice doing. You have to do tons of drawing practice, but I think the key is you need to enjoy the process every time, on every steps you're doing on a design. Remember that at first place, why you like drawing is because that was a hobby, right? Like me. It was not it was not on purpose to get some money, correct? When you were a kid or that children, dreaming and loving drawing and escaping the real world. So, and I always now remember that. I always based on this. And I have actually that picture of me when I was a kid, and I really connected directly to my artist childhood, and yeah, it's kind of emotional at the same time. So I don't forget where I'm come from, and I think this is very, very important. So yeah, if you change a bit of your mindset, I guess, and don't get like frustrated so much, there's no point. Art is at first a pleasure. We love to create, right? So I think we all need to keep that in mind. Yeah. Well, so yeah, just to give you a bit of news from me, some insight, what's going on in my mind, my head, the work I did on myself. I'm sorry about my English, my friends, but I know I need to improve it considerably. But I guess it's kind of also a challenge for me, as it's not my native language. But yeah, the conclusion is that I'm very glad to be here on this channel YouTube with you. And for those ones who are listening, I was going to listen that video that will give you some motivations, and of course, never and never give up your dreams, whatever it is. So it's all about, I think, work and dedications, and also some disciplines as well. And I think it's very important. And also that year, as we start a new year, I really want to try to go into different directions. I want to also learn animation on Procreate, as I have Procreate dreams. I guess some of you already heard about it, so who already have it. And yeah, in my case, I want to just go forward to other things, and yeah, have growth as well, and try different type of artwork. Like animation is really something I want to go into. Yeah, so that will be great. So I'm gonna open a new layer, and yeah, I'm gonna finish with that background actually. But, let's try with purples. How it looks. Wow, it looks wicked. Yes. Here we are. So yeah, my friends, I really hope you're glad to see me back. I'm very glad as well to see you again, guys. And yeah, for me that was kind of very important to speak in this video, before I launch my the next tutorials. So yeah. So thank you again, my friends. I don't know what I can say, but thank you again. And here we are. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see you in the next in my next video, like see your comments if you like it. I'm going to think about what I'm going to do, like tutorials. It will be a few tutorials like this with explaining different tools and on Procreate at the same time as I go on the process. So thank you again, my friends, and love you, never forget you, and see you very soon. I will be launching the video round, as I said, the end of February. So thank you guys. Wish you a great day, and don't forget, keep doing great art, keep creating and enjoy it. Thanks.